Hello everybody, John here, and onto the garage today. We're going to see how you remove the mirror glass from Jaguar XK8s and XKRs and many other Jaguars of this era. It's not completely obvious, so lots of people have been struggling, and we've had a few comments on the channel. Fortunately though, it is one that's really easy to do once you know how, so I'm going to show you how to do it now. Although the mirror is electrically adjustable, you can move them around manually with causing no harm whatsoever. So your first mission is to push that edge back in. Once you've got it in there, just rest your fingers on it so that it doesn't keep popping forward. Next, you've got to grab hold of the mirror, and I'm going to turn my hand backwards because I don't want to be in the way of the camera. It's normally easier, but I'm going to grab hold of the mirror and I'm going to pull it this way. And I'm obviously massively exaggerating. I'm going to move it about 5mm, 1/8 of an inch maximum, and I'll feel it come off some clips, and then I just move it forward so it doesn't clip back on again. Once you've seen behind, you'll see how it works. So grab hold of the mirror. I've got a firm hold, give it a little tug towards the outside of the car. I felt the movement, and then once you start to feel it go, you pull it forward. The other end has to be unhooked, so you're kind of pushing it back into the mirror, and there you go. And this end was hooked behind this. This end was hooked over this, and you've got a couple of wires. You may have more than two on yours if you've got self-dimming mirrors. Mine are just heated. Pull those off, and this is the heater element of the mirror. If you've got dimming mirrors as well, there's more terminals, and you've got a liquid crystal display in there. Don't squeeze that mirror too hard, you might crack it. If you crack it, the liquid can escape. The liquid actually will burn your paint very fast, so just be very careful of that. So how does this work? This is hooked behind there, this is hooked over there, and I'm going to massively exaggerate now. Imagine that's clipped in. Grab hold of this end, I pull it this way, and then I pull it forward just a little bit, and not letting it pop back out of this end. As soon as this end's off, you push it away and forward to unhook from the other end. Just while we got the mirror open, in the bottom there, I don't know if we can see, there's a big blue spring. That's part of the manual folding mechanism. Another question we have is, do all the mirrors on XK8s fold? The answer is yes, they do, but some are electric, some are manual. If yours aren't electric, and you've got the manual ones like mine, people are a bit scared to try and fold them. How they work is you just give it a firm push, and that spring moves, and it'll lock into a good position parallel with the glass for parking in narrow places. When you pull it back, they pop down into the right position again. So I'm going to refit my mirror. Just again, I'm a bit left-handed because not wanting to get in the way of the camera. Put me two terminals back on. There they go. Refitting. Push it as far over towards the car as you can, because you're going to try and get, I don't know if you can see this, Dad, trying to get that clip behind this. It's going to be hooked in place. I know that's behind there now. I'm going to pull before pushing back to make it easy to go on. So I'm pulling it. Again, I'm a bit upside down. And as I'm pulling, pushing it back, and you're refitted. And that is how you remove and refit the mirror glass from a Jaguar XK8, XKR, XJR, S-Type, X-Type, most of the Jaguars of this era, 97, mid-2000s.